Good morning, children. Okay.
Good morning, ma'am.
Today we are doing.
Good morning, ma'am.
Yes.
Good morning, ma'am.
We are doing. Good morning, children. We are doing chapter 5, transitive and intransitive. Up till worksheet 6 we did in the last class. Now we will do worksheet 7. We'll start with worksheet 7. Are you ready with your books? Page 63. Open page 63.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. I hope everyone has done the work, completed till worksheet 6.
Good morning, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now worksheet 7. Read the following sentence. The driver stopped the car stopped suddenly. Now, can you differentiate between these two sentences? What is the difference?
The driver stopped the car, ma'am. It is ma'am transitive, ma'am intransitive, and ma'am the car stops and then it's transitive.
No. The driver stopped the car is
Ma'am,
transitive.
it is transitive.
And the car
And ma'am,
stopped
the
suddenly
car
is
stops suddenly.
intransitive.
It is intransitive.
Yes. Why? The driver stopped. Now, where is the verb, children? Verb is stop. Now,
Ma'am,
told
stop
you
is the
if
verb.
you ask
And
the
ma'am,
question,
the car
what?
stops suddenly. It is, ma'am, there is no verb. So it is, ma'am, second sentence is intransitive.
If I ask a question to stop, stopped what? And I get the answer, that means it is transitive. Because whatever answer I will get, that will be the object. Now, if I don't get, like the car stopped, and I ask the question, what? No answer. If I ask, how did it stop? Suddenly. I'm getting the question for where, when, how. That is not transitive sentence. It will be intransitive. If it is transitive, I will get the answer for what. The driver stopped what? The car. So this is transitive and the other one is intransitive. Now, in this worksheet, there are sentences are given below. 2 sentences are given. In each one, you have to write whether it is transitive or intransitive. Now, the first one, he returned to his home. Is it transitive or intransitive?
Ma'am, transitive.
Ma'am transitive.
No, it is intransitive. He returned where? Where? If you ask a question where, you get the answer to his home, but you don't get the answer for what. He returned what? You are not getting the answer. So it is intransitive. If I say I returned what? His pen. I'm getting the answer. So this second one is transitive. First one is intransitive. Now have you understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Is it clear now?
Yes, ma'am.
Or you want me to explain it again?
Ma'am, please explain again, ma'am. Please.
Children, you first see the verb. Yes? Now, what is the definition of transitive? When the verb which carry the action of the subject to an object, that is called a transitive verb. Carry the action of the subject to the object, that is called a transitive verb. Now here, he returned to his home. It is not carrying the subject to the object, because there is no object here. He returned to his home. That is the place. Where did he return? To his home. It is not an object. Object will always be noun or a pronoun. Remember that. Subject and object will always be noun or a pronoun. Now here, he returned. You are getting the answer for where. Where did he return? To his home. But are you getting the answer for what? He returned what? Nothing. He returned the book, if I say. I'm getting the answer for what? He returned what? The book. But if I'm saying he returned to his home, so to his home is the place. It is not this. So this is intransitive. The second one is he returned his pen yesterday. He returned what? His pen. His pen is the object. So the verb carries the action of the subject to the object here. Okay. Now second one, she broke a glass. Ayush Raj, tell me, is it transitive or intransitive?
I'm
मैम क्या नहीं
intransitive.
संगम से
Intransitive कैसे है? अभी भी आपको नहीं समझ में आ
मैम
रहा
मैं
है.
बताऊँ
She broke what? Ask a question to the verb what, and you get the answer. It is she broke
Ma'am.
what? A glass.
Ma'am,
Next one, the
transitive.
old glass broke into pieces. Now the old glass broke. Now broke. If I ask a question, what? Am I getting any answer? No. If I ask, the old glass broke how? Into pieces. I'm getting
which
the
page
answer
number?
for how. How did it
Ma'am,
break?
which
Into
number?
Page
pieces.
number.
Ma'am, how is transitive?
अब समझ में आया आपको? You ask a
which
question, what, to the verb. If you get the answer, that means it is a transitive verb. And if you don't get the answer of what, instead you get the answer for when, where, how, then it is intransitive. Is it clear now?
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
It is clear.
Okay, next one.
Yes, ma'am. It is
He
clear.
speaks slowly. Now, Siddhant,
Ma'am,
give the answer.
Ma'am, intransitive. Ma'am,
Why?
intransitive.
Why it is intransitive?
Ma'am, because ma'am, how speaks? Ma'am, slowly.
Yes.
Ma'am, the answer of how.
Because he speaks how? Slowly. And what is slowly, children? Adverb. It is not a noun or a pronoun. It is an adverb. So he speaks slowly. This is adverb. So it will be intransitive. Very good. Now, I always speak the truth. I always speak what?
ma'am,
The
truth.
truth.
Ma'am, truth.
Ma'am,
What is it?
this is transitive.
Transitive. Then it is a transitive.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, because ma'am, he will speak, ma'am, to ma'am, truth, ma'am. That why, ma'am, he is transitive.
Yashwardhan, I can't hear you. Come close to the mic.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, this is transitive because, ma'am, he is asking, ma'am, how she speak, ma'am, truth, ma'am.
Nahi, how nahi? It is asking what? I always
What
speak
he-
what? The truth.
Ma'am, truth, ma'am, sahi.
Yes. The truth is, children, what is it? What type of noun is it?
Ma'am,
Abstract
Ma'am,
noun.
abstract noun.
Abstract noun.
Ma'am, abstract noun.
Very good. Okay. The doorbell rang loudly. Now, Ayush Raj, give the answer. The doorbell rang loudly.
Ma'am, transitive.
It is transitive.
No, ma'am, it's transitive. Ma'am,
Why?
it's transitive.
Main
No,
transitive.
ma'am.
It is the answer of how.
The
Ma'am, how
doorbell-
doorbell
Ma'am, it is
rang.
a
How
question.
the doorbell
How
rang
the bell
loudly.
rang.
Loudly क्या है? Adverb है. Slowly, loudly, all this is adverb. It is telling you how the act took place. Loudly, slowly. Not giving you the answer for what. Now the doorbell rang loudly. Loudly is adverb, so it is intransitive verb. Now, will you please ring the bell? Will you
Ma'am,
please ring
transitive.
what? The
Ma'am,
bell.
transitive.
Ma'am, bell. Ma'am, it is
Transitive.
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 Okay.
Ma'am, because he
Now
was
the
asking.
door
wha-
opened. Ananya, the door opened. Akansha, give the answer.
Ma'am, which page number?
अब पेज
Ma'am,
आप
it
ढूंढ
is
रहे हैं तब नहीं हम बता सकते.
intransitive.
राजेश कुमार, give the answer.
Ma'am, intransitive.
No, ma'am,
Why
transitive.
it is
Ma'am,
intransitive? Page
That is
63
transitive.
we are doing. Yes, why is it intransitive? Yeah, transitive. Siddhant, you tell me. The
Ma'am,
door
can I say
opened.
Raj?
Ma'am,
Can I
it
say
is,
Raj?
ma'am, it is, ma'am, it is, ma'am, ma'am, it is intransitive.
Why?
Ma'am, because how, ma'am, no, ma'am, it is transitive. Ma'am, it is a transitive. Ma'am, because what opened? Ma'am, the door. Ma'am, it is
No.
transitive.
No. Now this is a little different and you got stuck up. The door opened. Now the action is not passed on to the object. Object है ही नहीं कुछ भी. Action आपका pass on नहीं हो रहा है object को. There is no object. If the verb does not require an object to complete, then it is intransitive. Transitive verbs always require an object to complete its meaning. Intransitive verbs don't require an object to complete its meaning. Now, even if the sentence continues and it does not have an object, then also it is intransitive. And here it does not have anything. The door opened. खत्म हो गया आपका action.
मैम क्योंकि मैम एक्शन भी मैम पास नहीं कर रहा है इसमें.
It is intransitive.
And ma'am, second question is
Ma'am,
he
the-
opened
Second
the
one,
door.
he opened
Ma'am,
the
it is-
door. Now this
Ma'am,
is
Ma'am, it
transitive.
is transitive.
This is
Yes,
transitive.
ma'am.
It is
Ma'am,
intransitive.
because he opened what?
Ma'am,
Now
He
have you
opened
understood?
what?
ma'am,
Now have you understood?
what? He opened door. Yes, ma'am. Ma'am,
Now,
he opened
He
what?
Now we
opened the door.
understood.
Yes, he opened the door. The
Ma'am,
door.
Ma'am,
is-
the action is
because what
passing.
he
Ma'am,
opened.
he opened what?
Okay, now next one. He left early in the morning.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
intransitive.
intransitive.
Ma'am,
Intransitive.
intransitive.
Why?
Intransitive.
Why?
Ma'am, because
Because
action
ma'am-
passes
ma'am,
not.
because ma'am-
Ma'am, because action do not pass.
what? It's not correct.
Ma'am, there is no object.
No object. Very good. He left. He left when?
Ma'am,
It is not giving you
ma'am,
answer.
transitive.
It is giving you when. He left
Ma'am,
early in the
transitive.
morning. When का आंसर दे रहा है, what का आंसर नहीं दे रहा है आपको.
Ma'am, there is no object in this
Yes,
sentence.
no object. That is my. There is no object. What जब आंसर आप क्वेश्चन पूछेंगे तभी आपको ऑब्जेक्ट मिलेगा. अगर what का आंसर नहीं देगा तो कभी भी नहीं मिलेगा. It will either be how, when. तो ये सब एक्शन में वो नहीं है, ऑब्जेक्ट नहीं है. He left when? Early in the morning. Now he left what? Is
Ma'am,
back.
ma'am, transitive.
Is
Ma'am,
back.
transitive.
It is transitive.
It is
Ma'am,
transitive.
transitive.
Very good. Now the Titanic sank in the sea.
Ma'am,
1 minute.
intransitive.
1 minute.
Ma'am,
Don't answer out of turn.
Intransitive.
Don't answer out of turn.
Ma'am, transitive.
Let me ask. Yes, Ayush Raj, give the answer. The Titanic sank in
Ma'am,
the sea.
Ma'am, transitive. Ma'am, transitive.
Why is it transitive?
Ma'am, what sank in the sea? The Titanic. And ma'am, there is an object also.
Siddhant Sharma, I want your answer.
Ma'am, it is intransitive, ma'am, because where Titanic sank, ma'am, in
Yes.
the sea.
Now he twisted the sentence. He said, what sank in the sea? The Titanic. The Titanic is the
Ma'am,
subject.
transitive.
The Titanic
Yes, ma'am.
sank where? In the sea. Not what. So it is intransitive. An engine failure sank what?
Ma'am,
ship.
ma'am,
Ma'am, it is
ma'am, this is
intransitive.
transitive.
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 Yes, the
Ma'am, it is
first one is
intransitive.
intransitive. Ayush, first one is intransitive and the second one is transitive. Ayush ने बंद कर दिया अपना वीडियो.
No, ma'am.
You all don't want to understand or what? Now the donkey kicked the man. Yashvardhan.
transitive.
Yashvardhan, give the answer.
Ma'am, because ma'am, action is passing, ma'am, kicked. Ma'am, the donkey kicked the ma'am, the action is passing. through
Yes, very
this
good.
word.
The action is passing from the subject to the object. And this donkey never kicks.
Ma'am, this is
Intransitive.
intransitive. Ma'am, because the
Intransitive.
action is not passing, ma'am, never is, ma'am, no.
Yes. Never नहीं. The kicks के बाद कुछ नहीं है. The donkey never kicks.
यस मैम नेवर है मतलब मैम किक नहीं मारा तो मैम मतलब मैम इसमें एक्शन पास नहीं हो रहा है.
Yes, it is intransitive. Now,
मैम
worksheet 8.
वर्कशीट 8
Children,
मैम यू
worksheet
है
8. Few verbs are given. Now, you have to find out which verbs are transitive and which are intransitive. Now, how will you find out which are transitive and which are intransitive? How will you find out?
मैम लाइक मैम इज अ ट्रांसिटिव. मैम लाइक इज अ ट्रांसिटिव and मैम
नहीं, ऐसे नहीं. I'm giving you 2 minutes time. Now, what you will do is, in your mind, you frame a sentence and see if the verb require an object to complete its meaning. In your mind, you frame, and then I will ask you. I'm giving you 2 minutes time, quickly. And rest of you also open your video. I want to see what you are doing. Only 4 children have opened. Rest, I can't see what they are doing. You are supposed to keep your video open. It was already announced earlier also that all the children must open their video. Rest of you also open your video.
मैम कैन आई से मैम मैम
No, I am not
Transitive
asking
verb.
anyone. I'm giving you 2 minutes time. Let everyone be prepared and then we will discuss. Only one child will keep answering, then the others will not learn. Imran, Aman, Parth, Chaitanya, Prashant, Sashwat, Kunal, Aprajita, Rinjin, Niranjan, open your video.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, I have done.
मैम किसी का माइक से साउंड आ रहा है.
It is Yashvardhan. You are answering. Yashvardhan, you are answering.
यस मैम मैम
Okay.
ट्रांजिटिव वर्ब.
हाँ, चलो.
Ma'am, Sangam.
Now,
Ma'am.
first one.
मैम लाइक
First one.
मैम
1 minute, please wait. First one, want. Is it transitive or intransitive?
Ma'am, transitive.
मैम ट्रांजिटिव.
I want a cup of tea. I want an ice cream. I want
Ma'am, transitive.
मैम
transitive.
ट्रांजिटिव मैम
Come.
बिकॉज एक्शन इज पासिंग.
Yes, come.
मैम दिस इज मैम intransitive.
Transitive.
Come to my place. Come to my place. Come where? हाँ,
Yes,
come
ma'am.
where? आप आंसर
Ma'am, this is in- ma'am,
आंसर होगा where? Come where? Now cover.
Ma'am,
मैम दिस इज
transitive.
intransitive.
Ma'am,
Transitive.
ma'am,
Transitive.
transitive. Ma'am,
Ma'am, क्योंकि
transitive.
मैम you
Ma'am,
cover
क्योंकि
me,
मैम
but
सेंटेंस
बहुत
बन रहा है
है,
मैम.
but
I
बहुत
cover
है.
my face. तो मैम what I cover? तो मैम I cover my face. Ma'am,
Okay.
it is transitive.
Build.
Ma'am,
मैम दिस इज ट्रांजिटिव.
Build a house. Build a temple.
मैम दिस इज ट्रांजिटिव.
Yes. Go. Now, whenever you
Ma'am,
say go,
intransitive. Ma'am, intransitive.
go where? Where? कहाँ? You cannot answer the question.
Intransitive.
मैम कहाँ जा रहा है मैम? एक्शन पास हो रहा है मैम इसीलिए.
Like.
Ma'am,
Transitive.
मैम
Transitive.
intransitive.
I like reading. I like.
मैम ट्रांजिटिव.
Like is transitive now.
I like ice cream.
Ma'am, like is transitive.
Transitive.
Ma'am,
Yes.
Ma'am, this is also ma'am transitive.
Lie.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
intransitive.
intransitive. Ma'am, intransitive.
Intransitive. Lying on the floor. Lie on the floor.
Ma'am, this is transitive.
Lie is
Ma'am,
intransitive.
intransitive.
Intransitive. Lie. Give.
Ma'am,
Transitive.
Transitive. Yes. Give what? Give what? You can
Ma'am,
give
give a
anything.
pen.
Buy.
Ma'am,
Transitive.
No,
intransitive.
buy is transitive. Transitive.
Right, transitive.
Ma'am,
I buy a book. Buy a gift.
die.
Buy
Ma'am,
flowers.
die है मैम. Ma'am,
Now
die
die.
है.
Die.
Ma'am, die is intransitive.
Ma'am, this is intransitive.
Intransitive.
Ma'am, this is intransitive.
The man died.
Yes, ma'am.
The man
मैम
died.
आपने बाय सुना लेकिन मैम ये डाई है.
And sleep.
Ma'am, this is ma'am, it is
मैम
transitive.
intransitive.
Intransitive. Very good. Good. Now worksheet 9. Again, what you have to do, 6 verbs are given. You have to use them both in transitive way and intransitive. You have to use it transitively as well as intransitively. I am giving you 2 minutes time. Do it. Two minutes time I'm giving you. Write all the sentences and then we will check. Sangam, you are not writing? Yes, all of you are writing. Prashant Kumar.
Yes, ma'am.
Video खोलिए. I want to see everyone writing. That is why I'm looking at you.
मैम
Niranjan,
मुझसे दो
open
मैम
your
मुझसे
video.
2 ठो नहीं बना. मैम मुझसे 2 ठो नहीं बना. मैम
अच्छा
बाकी
ठीक
सारा
है, जो
बन
नहीं
गया.
बनेगा वो I will discuss. I will discuss. Niranjan, open your video.
Ma'am, one boy is saying ma'am hello. Ma'am in the group.
Who is saying hello?
Ma'am in chat ma'am.
Rishabh,
Ma'am you
ma'am,
have to
Rishabh Raj.
see.
I'm Rishabh
Yes
Raj.
ma'am, Rishabh Raj.
ऋषभ राज हेलो कर रहा है. अच्छा ठीक है.
Yes ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Group में, ma'am, chat में, everyone को.
Okay, now let's discuss. Burn. Yashvardhan, give the answer for burn. You first use it transitively and then intransitively.
Ma'am, first is burn, ma'am. Ma'am, the answer is burn.
एक सेंटेंस बनाइए ना. He burned the log. He burned the log.
Ma'am, I burned the paper. Ma'am,
I burned the
transitive. Ma'am,
Ma'am, I
burned
burn
the
a paper.
Ma'am, they burned the wood.
Ma'am, in
Ma'am, they
Ma'am,
burned
Ma'am,
the
I
wood.
burned
Yes.
dry food.
Now this is transitive. Now intransitive,
I
the
burn a
log
paper
was
in the
burned.
house.
burned. Ma'am, the paper burned.
The wood burned
The
slowly.
paper burned. The log was burned.
मैम ये हो सकता है मैम. I burn a paper in house.
Huh?
मैम ये intransitive हो सकती है मैम. I burn a paper in house.
Yes. I burn a paper transitive कैसे होगा? In the house कैसे होगा?
मैम I burn a paper in a house.
I burned the paper in the house. हाँ ठीक है. That is it. Next one. Stop.
मैम I
He
stop a
stopped the
car.
car. He stopped the
Ma'am,
Ma'am, I
car.
stopped the
stopped
bus.
the car.
Ma'am, I stopped the bus.
Ma'am, the
The
driver
car
stopped
stopped
the car.
suddenly.
Yes ma'am.
Ma'am, I stopped the bus.
Intransitive. The car stopped suddenly. Intransitive. He stopped the car. Transitive. हो गया? Next one.
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
Feel.
Ma'am, I feel good.
I feel hot today.
I feel good.
I feel hot today. Ma'am, I
Maya
feel
feels
hot today.
happy. I feel good.
I could feel hot. I could feel cold. I could feel the pain. And
I feel happy transitive हो सकता है.
huh?
मैम
Ma'am, I
फ्लाई
feel
का
happy
मैम क्या होगा?
transitive हो सकता
मैम
है.
फ्लाई का. मैम फ्लाई का क्या सेंटेंस बनेगा?
अभी fly कहाँ से आ
Ma'am,
गया?
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
मैंने
We are
भी
talking
ma'am,
about
मैंने
feel. We are talking about
सकता
feel.
है.
How did you come to fly?
ma'am, I feel hot today. Ma'am, I feel hot today. Ma'am,
Ma'am,
Okay.
I feel
Intransitive.
happy.
Intransitive.
ma'am, you never feel hot.
मैम माय
Ma'am,
डोर
you
इज
never
ओपन. मैम
feel
ओपन
hot.
का बनाया हूँ मैम. माय डोर इज ओपन.
मैम यशवर्धन मैम आगे का क्यों बोल रहा है
मैम मैं ओपन का बता रहा हूँ मैम, जो फील के बाद है.
Feel का बताइए आप.
feel
Intransitive. How will you use?
Ma'am, I
बन
feel
सकता है.
happy in
Yashwardhan,
house.
I feel
How will you use
sleepy.
it intransitively? Feel.
Ma'am, I never feel hot.
Ma'am, I feel happy in house.
मैम मैंने फील से पता मैम सिद्धार्थ मैम यू नेवर फील हॉट. मैम यू नेवर फील हॉट.
Ma'am, मैंने भी
Ma'am, we
बनाया
never
single
feel
line.
hot.
Okay. Next one.
I
Open. Open.
Ma'am, I opened the door.
open a
Is open.
door.
I opened the door.
feel sleepy.
And the door
Open the
was
window.
open. Intransitive. The door was opened.
You open the
window. Opened suddenly.
5. Walk. I walk a kilometer every day.
I walk slowly.
a kilometer. I walk.
He walks intransitive.
I walked away.
I walk fastly.
The walk slowly on the field.
He walks daily. He walks fast. Intransitive. Fly. I fly a kite.
Ma'am, please
I
repeat.
fly a kite.
I will fly a kite.
And the kite flies in the sky.
मैम मैं
The
सिद्धार्थ
kite
The kite
flies in the
flies
sky.
high.
मैम मेरे सिद्धार्थ मैम फ्लाई से मैम I fly with the help of aeroplane. मैम ये ट्रांजिटिव सही है.
Now worksheet 10, object complement. Object complement. The words which give additional information about the object are called object complement. They tell you more about the object. They are object complement. Now worksheet 11, you can see the pictures. And they have written, I saw him. Now how will you complete it? I saw him standing at the
Ma'am, while I am
bus
standing
stop.
I
on the
saw
bus
him
stop.
standing at the bus stop.
Okay, 2
Ma'am, I
minutes
saw
time
him.
I'm giving you. Complete it. Complete it quickly. 2 minutes time I'm giving you. Yes.
मैम डिक्लेयर का मतलब क्या होता है?
हाँ,
डिक्लेयर मैम, डिक्लेयर्ड।
डिक्लेयर का मतलब नहीं पता है?
नो मैम, याद नहीं आ रहा मैम मुझे।
डिक्लेयर का नाम
मैम
कोई चीज को
घोषणा, मैम
अनाउंस करना।
मैम घोषणा करना, मैम टू अनाउंस।
अब अनाउंस करना।
हाँ, have you completed?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now next one, I found the coin. Ananya, give the answer.
Ma'am, I found a coin on the street.
Lying on the street. Yes, on the street, lying on the street. Everything is correct. I found a coin lying on
मैम
the
ऑन
street.
द रोड नहीं हो सकता मैम।
मैम मैंने मैम बनाया, मैम
Ma'am,
I found a coin.
coin on the road.
Ma'am, I found a coin when I was crossing the road. And when I was crossing the road.
I found a coin lying
Ma'am,
on the
I
road.
found a golden
Now,
coin on the road.
Siddhant, next one, the jury declared him
Ma'am, the jury declared him as the champion.
as the champion. Very good. Next one, Sangam, he painted the house
मैम ही पेंटेड द हाउस टिल
with red color.
Ma'am,
with
he
red-
painted
ma'am,
the
with
house
red-
slowly. हो सकता है, he painted
He
the
painted
house
the
on
house
time.
with red color. You can see he's coloring it red. Next one, we found the prices. Yashwardhan,
Ma'am,
we found the prices reasonable.
ma'am, we found the prices reasonable after the discount.
Very good. People declared him.
Ma'am,
Trustee.
people elected him their MLA.
People elected
Trustee.
him as an MLA.
Yes. Next one, Akansha gave her book to the man. She gave her book to the man sitting on the bench.
मैम सिटिंग मैम हु इज सिटिंग
Ma'am, who is sitting in the park?
मैम
Who is
Who was
sitting in
sitting
the
on
park?
in the garden? Who was sitting in the park?
And
Who
to
was
the
sitting
reading.
on the bench? Yes. The principal made her Nilesh Jha. The principal made her the head
Ma'am,
girl.
can I say?
The head
मैम
girl.
द प्रिंसिपल मेड हर मॉनिटर।
Yes.
No, ma'am.
मेड हर
And the principal made her to come on the stage.
No.
Ma'am, the
The
principal made her student
her
of the year.
Principal made her proud.
मैम द प्रिंसिपल मेड हर मैम मॉनिटर।
Ma'am, student of the year.
No, ma'am. Ma'am, the
And the
principal
principal
made
made
her
her
ma'am student of the year.
नहीं, आप मॉनिटर टीचर का काम होता है, प्रिंसिपल का काम नहीं होता है. Don't say give these type
Ma'am,
of things.
Ma'am, the principal made her.
Ma'am, the principal
Exercise
made her
has
student of
made
the
him-
year.
Exercise has made him
Ma'am,
Siddhant.
bodybuilder.
Ma'am, fit and strong.
Healthy and
Exercise
strong.
has made him bodybuilder.
Healthy and strong.
Last one. We saw a lady Reading a book.
At platform, reading a book.
Yes. Now do it yourself. Again, same thing you have to do. You have to find whether it is transitive or intransitive. Now, children, I will quickly tell you the verbs and see if they are followed by an object. First sentence, broke, underline broke. Broke is a verb. Second sentence, climbed. Third, inspired. Fourth, founded. Fifth, provides. Sixth, written. Seven, composed. Eight, stop. Nine, next, speak. Then J, found. K, invented. And L, read. Yes, all the verbs I have told you. Now see if they are